looking down at part of Villa Borghese Gardens. I'm in a 7th floor suite at Sofitel Rome. You can hear a buzz of traffic, but other than that, can't hear very much. I've got a jacuzzi. I just lifted up the lid. Gosh, it's cold in there. I am not going to have a hot tub, I can tell you. No, it's winter still. But I do have this gorgeous terrace. And if the weather allowed, I've got dining for 3 out here, and I've got lounging for 2. I'm going inside now. I've been told to be very careful because it's wet outside and they don't want me falling over. So here is my suite. Come in through the door here. And from the doorway, I'm not sure why I have those plastic wall guards there. And there's a half bathroom. I thought that was going to lead me into my kitchen, but no. This is the living room. As the GM just said, she brought me up here, she said, we bring the Sistine to the hotel rather than having to go to the Sistine. Now I'm looking around. Here is a kind of closet come kitchenette area with the safe and a yoga mat and the fridge there and coffee and a kettle. And what have we got in here? Mugs, spoons, we swing around. I love the mirror, actually. Up a step into the bedroom. Here's the bedroom. An enormous shower with diptych toiletries. Shower looks easy to work. It seems to have lots of faucets. Rainforest, hand and wall. 2 of these sinks that are diagonals. Put a piece of soap at the top and the soap will go ricocheting down. A towel rail that I think should be heated but is not turned on at the moment. Takes me around, takes me back to the bedroom. Good, I've got sockets down by the bedside. And I can lie on the bed and look up at the ceiling.